Hello, welcome to our channel once again. If today is the first time of watching, kindly click on the subscription button, ask you get connected to the community and get all the details concerning solar energy. Our topic today is the most dangerous phenomenon in our solar system. And exploring this topic, we are going to see from the scenario beauty of our solar system to its hidden dangers which the space is filled with all this happening in our environment that threatens the existence of our solar system. We have five basic of these happenings that I want to discuss in this video. Watching this video will help you to get it properly and learn how to manage it as well. One of those phenomena that happens in our solar system include solar flux. How does this happen? This solar flux is something we know as a sudden and intense of radiation emitted by the sun. While we delay to observe, solar flux can wreak havoc on our Earth technology, disrupting communication system, satellites, and even power grids. In extreme cases, they can cause a risk to astronauts in systems. How does this happen? In extreme cases, they can pose a risk to astronauts in the space. Then the second one we need to discuss is the coronal mass ejection. Similarly to the first point that I hinted like the solar flux, this is a massive eruptions of plasmas and magnetic field from the sun corona. When directed towards the earth, they can cause geomagnetic storms leading to eruptions in navigation system such as the satellite operations and even the power blackout. The third phenomenon that we need to discuss is the astronauts' impacts. How does this happen? Earth has a long history of being bombarded by astronauts, some of which have caused mass extinctions in the past. Following this, while most smaller astronauts burn up in the atmosphere, larger ones can cause catastrophic damage if they were to collide with our planet. Efforts to detect and track near-Earth objects are crucial to mitigating this risk. By doing this, I have another point to note, which is the gamma ray bursts. These are the most powerful explosions in the universe, releasing colossal amounts of energy in the form of gamma rays. While rays and typical originating from distant galaxies nearby can be devastating, it is very important to note the consequence for life on Earth. Potential stripping away the ozone layers and exposing the surface to harm and also cause harmful radiations. The fifth point to note is that space weather is very important, and this is one of the phenomena that occur in our solar system. Space weather, beyond individual events like solar flux and other ones we just mentioned that is being driven by sun activities, including solar wind, cosmic rays, and magnetic storms. This can affect the performance of spacecraft, satellite, and even impact aviation and power distribution system on Earth. As we continue to explore and understand the complexity of our solar system and how complex this system is, it is important we keep it up to date by monitoring and preparing for this dangerous phenomenon, remaining critical and endeavor to safeguard life and technology, both on Earth and on the system as well. So when we see this, it will help us to maintain or safeguard life in technology, both on Earth and also in the space. By doing this, we encourage the environment